Now, let me ask you a simple question. Why is it that when two people experience the same setback, one person recovers within a short period while the other remains stuck for years? Think about it. Both of them lost money, both faced disappointment, both experienced failure, yet one bounced back stronger. The other never truly recovered. What is usually the difference? Skills. The person who knows how to communicate, sell, negotiate, market, build relationships, and solve problems will almost always recover faster. Why? Because opportunities naturally move toward people who can create value. Let me be very honest with you. One of the biggest mistakes many people make today is believing that their breakthrough will come from luck, connections, or some miracle. While those things may help, they are not sustainable. Skills. In fact, some people can spend hours every day discussing politics, criticizing the economy, and analyzing national problems, yet they cannot dedicate 30 minutes to learning something that could improve their income. That mindset is very dangerous. So what should you do if you want to recover from failure and move forward? Here are 4 practical steps. Number 1, learn a valuable skill. Learn sales, marketing, communication, negotiation, digital skills. Learn anything that helps you solve problems for people. Number 2, build confidence through practice. Confidence actually does not come from motivation. Confidence comes from doing. The more you practice a skill, the more confident you become. Number 3, build relationships. Many opportunities come through people. Learn how to connect, communicate, and maintain meaningful relationships. Number 4, position yourself around opportunities. Join communities, attend events, volunteer when necessary, partner with people. Get involved in environments where growth is happening. Listen carefully. In today's Nigeria, waiting is not a strategy. Complaining is not a strategy. Blaming others too is not a strategy. The people who recover the fastest are usually the people who decide to become more valuable. Because one useful skill can open doors. Money alone cannot open. Your future can still change. Your story can still improve. But it begins the moment you stop waiting and start building yourself. The question is, what skill would you start learning today?